Hi friends, my name is Dr. Apurv Mehra and I represent the team Cerebellum Academy here. We as teachers have been putting hard work, our heart, our soul to bring about these live lectures which are based on for next and the NEET pattern. We are trying to connect with our students, awaken them to get them on the track to studies. It is very well said that if you want to achieve great, you have to walk on the tough paths which are very narrow, which do not allow you to look left or right. They want you to walk on them looking straight because these are tough paths, but then they finally lead to better success. We are trying to draw a path. We are taking the responsibility of your course so that it's your course but our responsibility to complete it. Going in this step, I am an orthopedic surgeon. I am going to teach you orthopedics on 12th and 13th of July. And on 14th July, we are going to do an exam and discussion. So how I have paced up my days. On 12th July, I think that we should start with imaging in orthopedics. We will get somebody whom you all love to talk about some important images. Followed by, we'll go to infections and tuberculosis. What I further suggest is, we go to bone tumors. We will get a person who can give you a glimpse of important clinical, histopathological or gross specimens of bone tumors which have been asked in different exams with different clinical scenarios and different histopathologies. I'll get somebody to spice it up. Followed by an important, fruitful, short and beautiful nerve injury section. And then that day, I'm going to close with trauma of upper limb. This will be day 1. That's on 12th of July. 13th of July is even going to be more exciting. We're going to talk about different topics with different glimpses of different areas like arthritis, like neuromuscular disorders, like metabolic bone disorders, congenital disorders or pediatric orthopedics, and we will also complete the trauma with part 2. I'm also going to make sure that you will have glimpse of people talking about important key points of arthritis. We're going to have some interactions so that we have some interactive and integrated learning. I'm also going to make sure that after these 2 days, you are ready to solve clinical based or clinical approach based questions, which will be given to you on the day 3rd, that is 14th of July. You will attempt a paper. You will get a glimpse of how the questions are coming, which are becoming more clinical in NEET. You will also have a glimpse of what to expect whenever the next comes. I'm also going to see that we have a fruitful discussion, which will be a two-way discussion of brainstorming that how to get your answers correct. It is not just important that you get the answer correct, because if you do not have the correct concept, the next time the same question you can get them wrong. So it is important to learn the best way of getting the answer correct, how to rule out the options to reach till the best option. All this will be done there. And then finally, on 14 July, I have kept last 30 minutes for you so that we can revise the entire orthopedics, whatever we have done over 3 days. How to prepare for my lecture. All right. So you are a Cerebellum subscriber. I'll request you to go through the rapid revision video of orthopedics first. Then I will request you to go through a 45-minute video on the YouTube channel of Cerebellum. By combining these two, the biggest advantage that you people will have is you will have a fair idea about what I'm going to teach. Look, I'm going to see that we learn the most important topics and then we understand the keywords or the buzzwords which will help us solve the MCQs. So looking forward to meet you on 12th, 13th and 14th July. And don't forget, I will be saving the best for the last, the rapid, quick revision of entire orthopedics in half an hour. This is Dr. Apurv Mehra. Thank you very much.